Hey guys, it's Cece back again with another video, and as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to show you 2 outfits perfect for fall. Before we get started here, make sure you follow my socials. They'll be right here, as always. And to give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video, so you can let me know that you like fashion videos, because I haven't posted a fashion video on this channel yet. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
I can love you with my eyes closed. I don't lose sight of your beauty, 'cause your heart is fine gold, baby. I'ma take my time with your mind. Your ambition won't leave me alone. Tell me about your dreams, tell me everything. Don't nobody care about your heart like I do. Girl, I'm down for you just the way that you're down for me. Body like a queen, but it ain't about your body, baby, it's about your being. I ain't rolling up, but I'm on a high. When you really think about it, ain't no wonder why I'm so down for you. I'm so down for you, babe. So down, I see you from the inside. I'm so down for you. I'm so down for you, babe. So down, I see you. Never could forget you, 'cause you're so beautiful. Girl, a blind man can love you. Yeah, yeah. You're so beautiful. Girl, a blind man can love you. Yeah, yeah. Beauty in your soul. Girl, a blind man can love you.
You, my obsession, ocean lover. You, my whole passion, patience was over. I was looking for another challenge, this huge ambition. I needed a change, revenge creation. Your eyes look like a mirror, and no more spill. Our minds were in a row, but look now and well. Love is not enough in order to last. Remember your laugh is part of my past. Better give it up now somehow, but I'll never, never, never stop thinking of you. I better give it up now somehow, but I'll never, never, never stop thinking of you. Never, never in the right place for us to stand by each other. You'll have to replace my first goodbye and find another. My heart was like a stone.